Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin rights and saved work. Once ready, open Start and go straight to Settings. From Settings, choose Update and Security, then Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. This initiates the boot menu sequence. Don't wait. This step transfers control to Windows Recovery, so make sure any files are saved. Once the system restarts, it pauses in a special environment where you can pick troubleshooting options rather than booting Windows normally. Once the recovery screen appears, choose Troubleshoot to access deeper tools. Then pick Advanced Options to reveal UEFI firmware settings, startup settings, command prompt, and more. Choose the one that matches your goal. For firmware-level boot order changes, pick UEFI firmware settings. For safe mode or driver issues, pick startup settings. After selecting, use Restart to apply your choice. Windows will boot into the chosen menu. This grants direct control over boot behavior and let you change boot devices. After making changes in firmware or startup settings, save and exit so the machine boots with the new configuration. If Windows still won't start, return to the boot menu and enable safe mode from startup settings to diagnose drivers or software conflicts. Use command prompt to run bootrec or SFC for repairs. If problems persist, reset BIOS defaults or restore a previously created system image. These steps recover a misconfigured boot state without risking data further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.